maybe I need to look at some of my priorities, right? But at the same time, I feel like I'm doing a lot of cool, good things, and I don't want to miss out on them.
Yeah.
I do have a huge, major, like, FOMO problem, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. We all might. The only way we get better is by holding each other accountable. So anything that we say is not meant to be hurtful or disparaging, but at the same time, we're going to call some things out. We're going to talk real talk. So it's not intended with malice or to hurt anybody's feelings, but we're going to honest, no BS.
That's the part of the show that's called disclaimer. Read the tiny font at the bottom.
Yeah.
And make sure that you know what you sign up for.
Yeah.
They're going to lock us in here and take this.
They're just going to hook the truck up and we're going to go on a ride.